DJ Wicked Vlogs out here.
What?
Yeah. Another morning again with the little princess, my people. And man taking her to school again. You know? And man make her have to go work on her vehicle, my people. Yes, no man. You know DJ Wicked Vlogs beat already. You know, and me also have to day here wait for my stepson too. Cause him there and him we are come. Me and him there walk, but unfortunately, him run gone for little baby snacks, you know. And so we out here, people, active EGS Wicked Vlogs in the place. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so much joy and pleasure to be here again, peeps. You know, so people, stay tuned as me out here. I take the little princess to meet the taxi driver this morning, so yeah, man, stay tuned for all of that. You know what I mean? That is it, my people. EGS Wicked Vlogs out here. Like always. You know? Yes, peeps, I can see say little princess growing up looking nice, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, the bag too heavy for you, you know? So, the brother there come. That's my stepson coming, peeps. As I can see. Oh, this morning, so let's chat along. Come in with the poo. Let's chat. I mean, that is it, no joke. Daddy, have to go fix your uniform blouse with me. Go and jar down. Yeah, Kevin, that you know, peeps. Yeah, man, two of them off to school this morning. The bigger one left out earlier, so yeah, man, you know, get catch one camera. Yeah, man, star boy here watch you, man, you know. Man, we are making fix up myself. You know, at this time, people, sometimes we don't have it like that, say no. Take time to do everything, you know. Then we don't have no one to share. Again, me share mash up, so all of that in the making, you know. That's one of them days, yeah. But the little princess I chat people this morning. As you can see, she had do a little thing, you know. Anxious is school. Yeah, man. Last week, taxi driver and he strike for 2 days, and then the rest of the week we never bother send her out because we never this strong. You know, so yeah, man. I know a realness. Make me all share this with you guys because I never enough have to tell you guys neither. But I pretend like everything is okay, but you know, then my phone, our tablet, and my phone mash up too, so you know, just around day and something now, my phone up and running again and all of that, so yeah, man, up and running this morning, peeps. I make you see what I go on, you know. That is it, man. Mommy! Mommy! We out here, people, like all the time, you know. Yeah, man. Normal, you know, peeps. That is it, man. That is it, my people. Oh, God bless no man curse, you know. Yeah, man. Proud to be a stepdad. And I go and do it, you know. Yeah, that is it, my people. Up top, my Jenna. You want to go in a vehicle, Papa? If it can, it look like it full still. Yes, peeps. I go out with the wall down there so kinda cool. Brother hold your hand and walk. Willie, me tell her say make you hold her hand and walk. Yes, my peeps. DJ's Wicked Vlogs in the place. Yeah, man, brother and little sister chat, you know? Yeah, man, lovely look. You see that? Give them an update, you know? Yeah, man, next time you see boss people, they more sharp like a razor. You see it? You're well up and going, you see it? I don't want to stay, you know, quick for bash, you know, but don't know sometimes now if you just know, say, it no did it. Well, I'm pan hand. Yeah, man, so I just one of them things there. Yes, my peeps. Normal, regular spot where we normally get vehicle peeps. Then we are chat this morning. You know, yeah, man. Yes, peeps. Yes. Yeah, man. Our brother just get a drive left, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, say, you know, I just me and I alone there, you know, I wait for the driver to come here, you know. Yes, man. It's a joy and happiness, you know. Yeah, man. That is it, my daughter. Yes, now, man. Big up my general, you know. Big up my general, them, man. You know, always lock in and clock in. Big up my sister in them. Always lock in and clock in with DJ's Wicked Vlogs. At all times. You know, yeah, man, big up all of the people and lock in and clock in like always. No joke. Yo. So create vibes over on the side, yeah, man. Little princess, I relax my peeps. So she be it, you know. Man, when them girls that they run them father, they feel real good, you know. Yeah, man. I have to tell you about it. So, yeah, man, active, you know. Choke. Yes, peeps. Active, normal, a lie. Yeah, man, just set up the thing on a little level, you know. Yes, no, man. AGS Wicked Vlogs in the place. Yeah, man. So right now, people, just there, man, I try to see if we can get a view of it, you know. Get a view. Peeps, make sure you like, share, comment. If you never yet click the little subscribe bell yet, oh gosh, I need to do that, man. Yeah, man. Provide a big up yourself, you know the thing going on, man. Yes, no, man. Peeps, right now, me about fi edit some video and thing. But peeps, if you know, say me just there go and hold it do a fanboy. Yeah, man. So, alright, my Jenna. So, my people, them, if you don't know of no better editing app where we can use on Android, you know, it's a ZTE Android phone me I use. So, if you don't know of no app where we can get to really use to edit, it will be great because, you know, the brother have work to do and all had a lot of things to do. So, you know, plus him have to edit for himself and all of that. So him nah go can manage to edit for me and I edit for him. Plus I work, you know, peeps. And we have to have heart and mind to know certain things. You see it? And that's the reason why no video no really upload for me for the longest while now, and it kinda bother me a lot. You see it? So I really need to try and edit something for myself. I try to edit with friend Mara, yeah, and I realize it nah work out. Them a say me fi download one GoPro app. I don't know for a reason, but them a say me fi download that app, and it costs think one of them costs $1 something and the next one costs $20. You know, to purchase it. So peeps, there and then me cannot use that editing, that video editing. So I don't know if you guys have any idea, cause whether you may try if you like upload some videos, because I think them would automatically join like how them join on TikTok, but I realize that YouTube don't work that way. You have to edit them and post them. So you know, me having some rough time to get my videos them out there right now, peeps. So now we're gonna, if anybody know of any Android app or anything, they are doing really good piece and all like you see it. So yeah man, that is that. You see me continue like, share, leave a comment, let me know anything you see about this. So big up and bless up to all my loyal people always. You know, so much joy and happiness to always be around. You know, yeah man. So blessings every time, my people. You know, blessings. Remember watch your hearts them people, cause you know we need we can get a little payment from YouTube so we can, you know, help out myself and my family same way peeps. So, you know, it's been a while me now upload nothing. I may ask you know guys just have little, you know, sympathy on me, because I'm new to this thing and I don't even know if I start edit a video, but you know, may God bless me and keep me and direct my path, you know. So yeah man, grateful people, peace out. Thanks for watching. Always, you know.